Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Dev's Signature 1, which is located in Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad, a project developed by Dev Developer. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So as you can check out, we are here on the actual land parcel, and here just behind me is the marketing office of the project. And the actual land parcel where the construction work is going on is just behind this marketing office. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because now Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about this project. So this project will be constructed on total 3.5 acres of land parcel, consisting of total of 2 towers with 3 basement, ground plus 17 floors, having 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now about the location part, and this project is located on Samshabad main road in Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. So let me show you that basically this road over here is Samshabad main road, and this road will connect you towards Samshabad, and just behind me you can connect towards Aramghar signal. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to upcoming metro station in 2 minutes, upcoming High Court is 4 minutes away, and upcoming Forum Mall is 5 minutes from the location of the project. And even you can connect to PVNR Expressway, which is 5 minutes away. ORR Exit 16 is 10 minutes away, and even airport is 15 minutes from the location of the project. Now about the amenities part, and this project provides you 40 plus world class amenities, let me show you in this miniature. So here's a badminton court with half basketball court. Then comes the garden area. This is a grand clubhouse with all the indoor amenities, with swimming pool, sitting pavilion as well, and other amenities are on the rooftop. So even you'll be getting the rooftop amenities. Here you can check out, here's the cricket pitch and many more. Now coming to the super built up area, and as mentioned, this project provides you 3 and 4 BHK premium residencies. So 3 BHK here is starting from 2011 to 2337 square feet, and 4 BHK starting from 2864 to 3698 square feet super built up area. And now coming to the booking process. So the project booking window is open now. Interested client can visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and we'll show you the model flight as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential project, that is Dev's Signature 1, which is located in Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad, a project developed by Dev Developer.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.